Hello everyone, welcome to the class again. Okay, today we will have a new lesson, and it is also the last lesson of our book. Okay, so the last lesson is in unit 16, and the title of the lesson is Informative Question, which is in page 70. So before we start, I want you go to page 70, which is in the textbook. Okay, today we will talk about informative question. So what is informative question and when do we use it? Okay, number one, use. Okay, when do we use it? Okay, we use it to ask about the information that we want to know. Okay, I give you example here. The first example is, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Okay, we want to know that who is the owner of the book. And number two, what kinds of phone do you like? Any kind of phone, iPhone, Samsung, Oppo, whatever. Okay. The last one is, which color do you like? Okay. Here in the three example, you can see the words. The first one is whose, and the second one is what, and the last one is which. So the word whose, what, and which are called informative question, which is telling you more about something. Somebody owns something, or somebody wants something, or somebody have something. Okay, let's move to another thing, which is more detail. Okay, I will talk about the first one, which is whose. Okay, we use who for possession. Excuse me. So what is possession? Possession is something that you own or something that you have. Example, you have a book, so you own the book. You have the shirt, you own the shirt. So that is called possession. Okay, when do we use possession here? Okay, we use it with the word whose plus noun. So possession is whose plus noun. Don't get confused with the word who. Who is people. It means we talk about the people, so we use whose. But who, and this one we use whose plus noun. Okay. Okay, let's take another example here. Okay, whose car is this? So we want to know whose car is that. Okay. This is my car. So my car here show that car is my car. Okay, one more example. Whose book are those? Whose book are those? You see the books and you don't know the owner of the book, so you will ask, whose book are those? Those are my books. Those are my books. And one more example. Whose money is that? You see the money on the floor and you pick it up and you want to find out the owner of the money, who owns this money. So you will ask, whose money is that? And that is my money. So again, we use whose for the possession, something that you have or something that you own, to ask about the information of possession. Okay, let's move to number two. Okay, what? Okay, we always see and use and hear what. So when do we use what here? Choices, but many choices. Okay, many choices and more than two here. Let's go to the way that we use it. Okay, we use what plus noun. So what plus noun? Noun means anything like book, people, things, animal. Those are called noun. Okay, let's take an example. What color do you like? All the colors: black, blue, white, yellow, green, and more. So which one do you like? No, not which one. What color do you like? Okay. I like red. So red is one of many colors here. So many choices. So you choose only red. Okay, another example. What book do you like? All kinds of book, like science book, grammar book, history book, story book, computer books. So you choose. Okay, I like grammar book. Now we are studying grammar, so you must like grammar book here. So grammar book is one of all kinds of book here. So you like grammar book. And another example here is what pets do you like? All kinds of pet, dog, cat, maybe chicken, fish, or anything that you can raise in your house. So you choose one. And I like cat. So I don't like dog, I don't like fish, I don't like anything. I like cat. Okay, so again we use what to choose any things that have many things, which is choices for you to pick up. Okay, let's move to the last one. Okay, let's move to number 3, which we use which for choices just like what, but there are only 2 choices here, only two. Okay, the same thing we use which plus noun. Okay, let's see example here. Which color do you like? Black or white? There are only 2 choices for you to choose to pick up. Black and white. So just choose one, no blue, no red, only 2 choices. And you choose one of them. I like black. Okay. Another one. Which book do you like? So this time I give you 2 kinds of book, math and science. So you gotta choose one, okay? And there's no history or anything, just only 2 choices. So you have to choose one of them, okay? I like math book, so you go to pick up the math book. The last example, which pet do you like? Only 2 choices, dog or cat. Which pet do you like? No fish, no chicken, no anything else, okay? So you choose, oh, I like a dog. So again here, don't get confused with what and which. So we use what for choices, something for you to pick up to choose, but there are many choices that you can choose, more than 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? But which, most of the time we use it like what, but there are only 2 choices. You have to pick up one. I give you 2 choices, black or white, math or science book, cat or a dog, okay? I think that's all for today. We will have some more, but I want to stop here, and I will see you the next video in the same unit, which is unit 16, the same thing, but a different things. Okay, thank you. I see you next video.